Hey, I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold. Don't stay. Y'all get cover. I'm holding him right now.
On Hartwick Road in Houston, a report of a man with a rifle turns a quiet morning into a deadly confrontation. When a high-powered weapon is involved, there is no room for error.
Is that him? There's a guy that just climbed the fence over ahead of us.
Stolen vehicle's going to be a wide 4 tours. Going to be at
I'm just going to approach this way.
Going west on Lockwood, about to get the 610 entrance ramp.
Alright, you see where that red sign is? Yeah. He was climbing the fence.
Okay,
right
hold
there.
on a second.
A report of an armed suspect in a residential area changes everything. Officers must treat every corner as a potential ambush.
C41 Adam, I'm coming up behind that. Marty.
There he is. There he is. Hey! Sir! Keep your hands up! Show us your hands! In the gray shirt!
Okay, then try and pull him over if he's taking
Hey! Hey!
Drop it! Drop it! Hey, I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold. Don't stay. Y'all get cover. I'm holding him right now.
Verbal commands are the last effort to avoid a tragedy. When those are ignored, a split-second decision becomes inevitable. Security footage reveals a bizarre choice. Instead of running, the suspect takes a high position, creating a deadly standoff.
Hey, I think he's down. Hold up. Let us have the air. We're gonna need a shield. We have one suspect down. As of right now, he's down in the back of the bed of the truck. We need shields to approach him. Right now, he's down. Everybody's okay. Let us just get some shields and some people over here.
Is that black? Is that black truck?
Yeah, it's gonna be the here. There's the gate, but it's open.
Okay.
So we'll have you with the shield.
Yeah.
Have you go with them.
Yep.
I want to make sure we have the so we'll just have them go.
The danger does not end when the shooting stops. Specialized gear is used to ensure the scene is secure before anyone moves in.
Let's keep going.
Yeah, we're just pulling up there. We're gonna need someone to go to the park over there. But okay, once we get the shield up, let's go ahead and start approaching. If you want to render aid. Yep.
I'm gonna hold that driver's side window. Okay, once we get up there, I'm just gonna pin the shield right on that window.
Yep. Sit should be in the truck.
All right, let's slow down. In front.
Okay, I see him. Yeah, he's down right here. He's under that.
Wait. Oh, I see him. Okay. All right. Yeah, let me. Yeah, let's see if he moves a little bit.
Suspect! Put your hands up! No response.
Let's keep pushing. Do not reach, you will get shot again!
Ankle clear.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold right here. I got your coverage. All right, let's grab him by the feet and just drag him down the hood.
Sir!
Once he gets on the ground, just throw him face down, handcuff him.
Yes. Ready?
Yeah, just drop him. Just get him down,
Oh, sorry.
All right. Yeah, you're good.
Arm, head wound.
All right, I think we're good on cuffs. Suspect's down. Let's go ahead and check for a pulse.
No pulse. Anybody in the house?
Yeah. I'm gonna keep eye on this door right here.
There's a camera too,
There's a unit A and B.
No pulse, right?
I don't feel anything. Somebody come double check. I don't feel a pulse.
This incident on Hartwick Road provides a deep look into the extreme complexities of modern law enforcement. It is clear that David Barondo was experiencing a severe mental health crisis, but the presence of a high-powered rifle changed the protocol for every officer on the scene. From a tactical standpoint, when a suspect takes a high position on top of a vehicle, they gain a significant advantage over the officers. This creates what law enforcement calls a deadly standoff, where the margin for error is zero. The Houston Police Department officers followed their training by attempting to use verbal commands first. However, in cases involving firearms, the window for de-escalation is often very small. According to the law, officers are authorized to use lethal force when they believe there is an immediate threat to their lives or the lives of the public. This case serves as a tragic example of how quickly a situation can turn fatal when a mental health crisis meets a deadly weapon. It raises a very difficult question for all of us to consider. Was there any other way to end this situation without the loss of life? Or did the suspect leave the officers with no other choice? These are the types of conversations that help us understand the reality of police work and the importance of mental health resources in our communities. We want to hear your perspective on this case. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you want to see more objective breakdowns of these critical incidents, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to support our work.